comb my hair, my HD lace. Love this. Try to get that bump going there. Getting ready to film a new video today. And trying to make sure this HD lace is doing its thing. Doesn't take much, but yeah, a little volume going. Just a little bit. Hey everyone, welcome back to Azul Hair Collections YouTube channel. If it's your first time with us, welcome. My name is Nick. I am the owner of Azul Hair Collection. And this is the place where you're going to find some really great hair tutorials, as well as we do some type of product giveaway every week, whether it's something from our hair collection or a suggested product that we demonstrate in a video. So make sure you hit the subscribe button below and the bell button because you don't want to miss out. Today's video, we're going to do something a little bit different. It's not necessarily going to be a hair tutorial, but it kind of is. So when shopping online, have you ever wished that you could actually touch the hair, feel it, move it around, see every angle, just to make 100% sure this is the hair that you want to purchase? We are so proud to announce today to you all that we are one of the first hair companies online to offer virtual reality in buying hair online. So that's what our tutorial today is about. I want to just show you really quickly how this whole virtual reality thing works and how it's going to change your whole online buying experience. Alright, I'm so excited to show you. So I'm going to hop on my laptop and I'm going to pop it up here, my laptop screen, so you can see. But basically just go to our website, azulhaircollection.com. You will see our home page pop up here. And let's take a look. Here we go. So this is what our home page looks like. All of our lovely collections and everything else. I'm going to go to the HD Film Lace collection because that's one of our most popular selling items. And let's see, which one should I choose? Okay, let's do the HD Film Full Lace in Body Wave, which is what I'm wearing right now. Now this is what the product page looks like, but if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you will see the virtual reality options. You can do a 360 view, which basically click that button and you can control it. So basically, if you want to see each angle, the left, the right, the back, you control it and you can see the hair from every single angle. Now another great feature, if you touch the other tab called Touch the Hair, and you can click one of those buttons at the top. Sorry, my screen is a little bit smaller, but I click Turn Right, so now it's turning right, the wig, and now you can see that angle, and then it says, what do you want to do? I want to touch the hair. Look at that. I mean, look at that. That's amazing. Let's say you want to see another angle and touch it. Let's try that. Let's turn it right some more and see the back, because we all want to know what we look like when we walk away. All right, and I'm going to click touch the hair. That is amazing. Look at that. So you get a chance to see the actual body and the fullness of the hair, the density, the pattern of the curl, and how it just moves, in its natural state. And this is a wig straight out of the pack, so no styling has been done to it. This is what you receive if you order from us. And there you go. You can see it also too, and do it from the other angle, like that. Now, we have this available for all our products and all the textures. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page here where it says virtual reality in hair, you can quickly kind of play with this tool. Let's scroll down here a little bit. You can see the 360 view. This is our exotic wave hair here. I mean, I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. And also too, here is the same wig we just saw actually. This is the wavy, but let's just do it one more time and touch the hair. I absolutely love it. Okay, if you scroll down to the bottom, it's a quick way to get to all the other products. And I'll put this link below where you can get right to this page, or you can visit any product and it'll be there as well. But here we go. So here's the straight. Let's play with this one, 360 view. Man, that's nice. So you can really see the detail of this wig. And let's do touch the hair. Let's turn it right. Let me look at that. You can see all the details. I love that. Awesome. And then let's do touch the hair. Look at that silkiness. Look at that. I mean, it's pretty amazing. Let's do it again. Let's go to see the back here. It's turning, it's turning. I love this. It's so awesome. And then let's hit touch the hair. Gorgeousness. Absolutely amazing, amazing. Wow. Yeah, cool. All right, so we hope that this new virtual reality feature on our website will give you even more confidence to shop with us. Here at Azul Hair Collection, our customers enjoy 100% money-back guarantee. We offer a free 7-day return program. There's no fee, no nothing. We're not going to ask you a bajillion questions as to why you want to return it. You just let us know you want to return. We send you a label, you send it back to us, and either you can exchange it or get a full refund. As well, we offer payment plans. We are partnered with a company called SezzlePay, and also we're partnered with Affirm Pay. These options are 0% interest, and all you have to do is make one small payment the day you purchase and pay the rest later. Your order ships right away. And the best thing of all is that I guarantee you our hair extensions are quality. These are virgin human hair extensions, never been chemically treated, hadn't been through any drama. Like, this is some really great hair. This hair, if taken care of properly, will last you a long, long time. This wig I have right now is our hdlace, and it's going on a year's time frame. I wear this probably once a week, so it's getting some nice usage, and it still looks great. This is our body wave texture that I actually took my blow dryer and just blew it out as straight as I could. But I mean, I absolutely love our hair. I'm not just saying that because it's my company, but I really do love our hair. All right, so our freebie today is actually a continuation from last week. If you saw our last week's video where I demoed our kinky curly wig in our transparent lace, and also I colored it, I call it commandeered it, but I colored it basically and kind of cut it a little bit. But we did a video last week, and the freebie, what we're giving away is an HD film lace wig in our exotic wave texture and a cute 12-inch bob cut. So we are going to be continuing that to give away into this week, because what you had to do was share one of our YouTube videos to Facebook and tag us. That way you entered into the contest automatically. However, we needed to have at least 15 participants. We hadn't quite made it there yet, so I'm gonna do it one more again. One more time. Let's see if we can get to the full 15 participants. We're not far off, but still need some more participants before we do the drawing. So what you have to do, if you're interested, if you missed out last week, you can do it this week. All you have to do is share this video to your Facebook page. Make sure you tag us so it sends us a notification that so-and-so has shared your video, and we can enter you into the drawing. The best way to tag us is to do the @ Azul Hair Collection. That should pop up in your window of Facebook when you're posting, so just click that to make sure it's properly tagged. You'll be entered to win, and we will be doing the drawing next week. All right, that's all, folks.